time out. They're set, now they're away. Value is one of the best to bounce out. Lonrain missed the start and he goes back at the beginning of the race, and the Wingman is back there second last to say settle into stride now and go through the first couple of 100 metres. Moulin Bleu and Value as sitting up on the outside share the front, and they're 2 to 3 lengths. Elruse gets a nice trail in the early part. Couple behind him is Zeglon, and they're being followed then by Renegade Arrow. It's about 7 or 8 lengths off what is a very fast pace, one of the fastest of the night here. Then Verification, and they're followed by the Wingman, and Lonrain brings up the rear. 1,000 metres to go. Moulin Bleu the leader, a length in front. Value as took the trail behind him. 3 lengths away then Elruse, and a further 3 to Eglon. 2 Renegade Arrow being followed by Verification. 3/4 away then to the Wingman, and Lonrain last of all. So they come down the side. 700 to go. Moulin Bleu over a length in front of Value as. 2 lengths to Elruse. 2 lengths further back as Eglon. Renegade Arrow commencing a move as they go down by the school now, and then Verification and the Wingman, and Lonrain was a length and a half away. Moulin Bleu the leader. Value as is coming strongly on the outside. Elruse is still there. Renegade Arrow continuing to make ground, and Verification's getting up on the inside. They're bunching now. Leaders are getting tight. Moulin Bleu, Value as coming at him. Verification's run up behind them, and the split came beautifully, so he's got his chance, and the Wingman starts to run on now. It's the Wingman out wide. Verification getting up on the inside is Lonrain, but it's the Wingman out wide. Chad Schofield again, and the Wingman came away and scored by a length and a half to Lonrain. A big run second. Moulin Bleu third. Elruse probably fourth ahead of Verification. A break then to Eglon. Renegade Arrow didn't come on. It's given every chance, and Value as was at the end of the field, his last in.
Well, how often do we see it? Takes an age to get that winner, and then you get the double bang bang, and Tony Vasil, Chad Schofield, back-to-back wins here. The Wingman, a terrific job with the 58 off a strong speed, circled them and just loomed into the race at the perfect time off that good speed, which... And third is a photo there. We'll have that third number for you. But certainly the Wingman, the winner, Towie number 1. And look, all honours here to him. Back, came to the outside, track playing beautifully, strong speed, plenty of ticks. Gets in $7.50 into $6 too. Lonrain second. Moulin Bleu will certainly get the third. Did a good job too. Moulin Bleu set a strong speed, and they revved up early. They had no answer for the sweepers who quinelled the race. Okay, 162. The numbers here: 610, 210. The winner. There's a close-up of the Wingman, and that brings up win number 8 and a double for Tony Vasil, double for Chad Schofield. And well, if Tony didn't know where the winner's stall was before the previous, he certainly does now. I'm tipping 610, 210. Lonrain 250 and Moulin Bleu 430. There, Inglis interim dividends. At Quinella Pace 32, 10, 20. Try 483, and the first forward the 3. Elruse, honest, even effort. The weights might have caught up a little bit. 2,937. That running double, $8.60. If you've got Towie number 1 alive in your quaddie for the third leg. You are all smiles as we head into the final event here. Moonee Valley scheduled to run at 10:15. There's a last look at the Wingman.
Where's he looking?
And a big, strong horse. And, well...
You're kidding me.
Pause, Tony.
That's right. When it rains, it pours, big man. Well done.